Welcome to the Big Sweep. We're thrilled to have you here. Today we're diving into 10 amazing all-natural cleaning hacks that will transform your cleaning routine. First, please take a second to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the Big Sweep, and ring the bell so you never miss an episode. Leave us a comment below telling us about any all-natural cleaning hacks of your own. Conventional cleaning products can feel harsh and are often filled with chemicals, so I'm excited to share these natural alternatives that are safer for you and your family. These simple ingredients are not only effective but also gentle on your home and the environment, making them a perfect choice for a healthier lifestyle. Imagine the satisfaction of a sparkling clean home using the simple power of nature. It's not just about cleanliness, but also about creating a safe and healthy space for everyone. Let's begin, shall we? Lemons are true wonders. They add a fresh scent and can work magic on microwave messes. Cut a lemon in half, place it in a bowl of water, and microwave for 3 minutes. The steam, infused with lemon, loosens grime, making it easy to wipe away. When drains get clogged, it can disrupt the flow of our homes. Baking soda and vinegar can save the day. Pour half a cup of baking soda, followed by half a cup of vinegar down the drain. Let it fizz for 15 minutes, then flush with hot water. Your drain will be clear and free-flowing. Cast iron pans deserve our respect and care. To clean them gently, sprinkle salt on the pan and scrub with a damp cloth. The salt acts as a gentle abrasive, lifting away stuck-on food without damaging the seasoning. Your cast iron will thank you for this simple act of care. Essential oils lift our spirits and freshen our homes. Choose your favorite essential oil and add a few drops to a spray bottle filled with water. A light mist around your home creates a beautiful aroma and uplifts your mood as you clean. Before discarding used coffee grounds, consider their cleaning power. Sprinkle coffee grounds onto dirty cookware, add water, and gently scrub. The grounds act as a natural scouring agent, lifting away grease and food residue. It's a wonderful way to give coffee grounds a second life. Grout can collect dirt and grime, dampening the sparkle of our tiles. Hydrogen peroxide is a gentle yet effective cleaner. Apply it to your grout lines, let it sit for a few minutes, then scrub with a toothbrush. This simple technique brightens your grout and brings a fresh look to your tiles. Stainless steel appliances often attract fingerprints and smudges, making them look dull and dirty over time. Use olive oil to restore their shine and bring back their original luster. Apply a small amount to a soft cloth and gently buff your surfaces in a circular motion. The olive oil acts as a natural polish, effectively removing smudges and fingerprints, leaving a gleaming finish. It's a simple and eco-friendly step that makes a world of difference in maintaining a sparkling clean kitchen, ensuring your appliances always look their best. Vodka isn't just for toasts. It can achieve a streak-free shine on windows and mirrors. Fill a spray bottle with vodka and mist your glass surfaces. Wipe away with a clean, lint-free cloth. The alcohol evaporates quickly, leaving a crystal-clear, streak-free shine. Your windows and mirrors will sparkle, allowing more light to fill your home. Tea tree oil has powerful antiseptic properties. Mix a few drops with water in a spray bottle to clean and disinfect surfaces. It's a wonderful natural alternative to harsh chemical disinfectants. The fresh scent of tea tree oil will leave your home smelling clean and refreshed. Windows deserve to be sparkling clean, allowing light to stream in. Clean windows not only enhance the beauty of your home, but also brighten up your living space. Create a paste by mixing cornstarch with water and apply it to your windows. This simple mixture is both effective and eco-friendly, making it a great alternative to chemical cleaners. Allow the paste to dry completely, then wipe it away with a clean cloth. The drying process is crucial for the cornstarch to work its magic. The cornstarch acts as a gentle abrasive, removing dirt and grime without streaks. It's perfect for achieving that spotless, streak-free shine. Your windows will be crystal clear, welcoming in the sunshine. Enjoy the view and the natural light that fills your home. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed these all-natural cleaning hacks, comment, and subscribe. Creating a clean home doesn't have to involve harsh chemicals. Embrace natural solutions for a space that's sparkling clean and gentle on health and the environment. I hope these tips inspire you to find simple, natural solutions for a happy and healthy home.